welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a closet tour for you. I'm super excited. I just redid my entire closet yesterday, reorganized, and I posted on my Instagram story, and so many of you were asking how I organize it, what it really looks like in depth. So I'm gonna show you today, and I'm super excited about it. And Ellie is below me doing this. You gonna ruin Mom's perfectly white newly made bed? My closet is here. This is my first ever walk-in closet, by the way, so I love it so much. So here's a little overview. So how I have it organized is I have all of my shoes on the top, right? But I start off with black, and I kind of just slowly go from the darkest colors into, I did green, into browns, into nude. These are all just kind of like my bootsy heels. Then I went into colors, which faded into gray, I guess. I mean, it's white and black, but it looks kind of gray into white, then into nudes. And then I went into my sneakers, since all my sneakers are just like white and this one nude tone. So have it organized like that. I prefer it to be color coordinated. Just, I feel like it's easier to find what you need, and it just looks so seamless and nice. Then I have these two boxes right here. This has just like slides and like flip-flops for the beach in it. And then this one has a pair of like bright blue heels that I've never even worn. So those are still in here, and then I just have my old camera up there. I changed up my closet. It used to be like colors and whites into blacks and everything else, but I had to switch it up just because it didn't feel like it fit my lifestyle. I wear a lot of neutrals over anything else. So I went with all of my blacks, and how I organized this was by long sleeve into short sleeves and blouses, into crop tops, just like tanks and things like that, and then into all of my like oversized tees. This is the section I get the most wear out of. As you can see, this looks like a light gray now. It doesn't even look black anymore. So then it just goes into dresses, into grays, then white, which I just have a ton of white tees is basically all that this is, just a lot of white tees here. Then I faded into just my robes, and then my jackets right here, which you will see I also have jackets over here. But these are just my neutral toned ones that are thinner. I have a lot of thicker, like big puffy jackets that this will just take up too much space over here. So I did like my windbreakers and my leather jackets, and then I went into my like peachy tones and my baby pinks. Did that, and then back here is where I did like all my super colorful clothes into dresses. And then I have some extra jackets in the back. I have some jean jackets, leather jackets, and then some other jean jackets back there as well. I have some extra hangers right here. I only like to have matching hangers, so these are the hangers that don't match anything, so they just kind of sit there if I need them. And then the rest of my white hangers are right here. And this little section is where I have my other jackets. So these are like, these jackets basically just don't have a home because they either have a pattern on them, or they're too big, or there are blazers, which I rarely wear, but I always think it's so smart to have a blazer in your closet. Look at this color, are you kidding? You never know when you're gonna need a blazer. So these jackets don't have a certain home, so they get to live together in this little section right here, which I think is perfect. And then of course, as you can see, I have room for more too, so that's great. So next to these jackets, this is where I keep all of my jewelry. This is from Target a few years ago. I'm sure you can find anything like this online. I'll try to link something below for you. I keep all of this jewelry up here. A lot of this is just what I wear all the time, so it's easy grab and go things in here. I just have like earrings and like a lot of hoops. Rings are in here. I have a perfume out. I have this back here just to keep my closet smelling fresh. I have just like photos of my nieces in here. I also have a spray SPF because this looks really good on the skin. So, and I mean, it's protecting your skin, but I just like the glow that I get from it. I have a hat. It's my one hat that I own. I have a cute little note from my parents in here. This is me and my mommy when I was really little. Look how cute. My mom was like 25 in this photo. That's my little setup. Then you come down here, and this is where I keep my bags. You guys, I don't have a lot of bags. I'm pretty simple with stuff like this. I actually need to learn how to shop better with bags. I need more options, but this is just what I have. I have this really cool bamboo bag that I was excited to use for spring, but then, you know, life happened and we haven't been able to really leave the house. So I have this waiting for next year. I have my two backpacks. The red one is Victoria's Secret, this black one that I wear constantly. Then I just have my little purses. This is actually a vegan leather bag, so gorgeous. And then I just have 2 little black purses as well. Then you get down here and I just have boxes of product. This is my laser hair removal treatment. This has a bunch of product in here, as does this and this. And these are all product that I've gotten sent to me in PR, all my extra nails. You guys know I do my nails like once a week. So all that nail stuff is in here, and it really bothers me that this isn't closing right now, but I'll fix it another time. I also have a vacuum in here since I don't have like an extra closet for something like this, so that's in here. And then in this corner, I just have extra lighting and stuff for my videos. I have a couple towels in there, but that's where my dirty laundry is. This is just where I keep my suitcases, easy. And then over here, I have a different setup. So before, I used to only keep my jeans and my pants right here, and then I hung up all of these sets. Found that when I was hanging them, because I wanted them together, they just felt really bulky, and then everything wasn't able to hang up so seamlessly anymore. So I have them all down here. So I have them just by jeans, pants, any black sets, any nude color sets go here, and then some colored ones. Although this is just black and white, and I could put this here because it's a tie-dye, I just put it over here. Up here is probably my favorite section of my closet because it's all cozy. So over here, I just did like blacks and grays on camera. This is looking pretty blue, I will say. But I just have like black sweater, hoodie, then I have my gray sweatshirts, my lighter grays, and then over here, I have like my nudes and like my baby blues, and this looks a little purpley, so I put it over here as well. So I have this fuzzy little crop sweater from Nike, and then like blue into the sweaters and then nudie tones. Over here, just like my giant jackets that literally just don't have a place. This is a jean jacket from Levi's that is so freaking huge, and it's really, really heavy. So it's up here, I just can't get rid of it. It's just so gorgeous. And then I have these 2 fuzzy jackets right here. And you guys, I'm actually gonna take you over there to my dresser as well. Hi guys, so this is my dresser, so cute. This mirror is from Target, that's from Target. This is from Target. I have some black roses here, so beautiful. I have some perfumes, and then I also have some books. And here are my bras, underwear, socks. And then this is where I keep all of my tops and extra lingerie right here. I have like my whites, nudes, and random red tops in here. All of these are little black crop tops, as well as tanks, sports bras. This is just my one colorful set that I have. All of these are just black workout pants. These are all black, different types of biker shorts. Oh, there's a gray pair in here too. These are just shorts, workout shorts. Also, you guys, this dresser is from IKEA. Then in here is my cozy clothes drawer. So I have like black sweats here, gray sweats here, nude tones here. I have, these are just shorts here. These are like my thinner sweats. Look how these are, I need new ones. This is where I keep the sweats that I throw on after I do my self tanner. I'm gonna wear them to bed so I don't get them on my white sheets. Then I just have all of my cozy tops here. Down here is where I keep all of my bikinis, and I tried to color coordinate them. The only thing that sucks is some of these, like this is a wired bra, so I can't fold it, but I tried to do it in like a rainbow, as you can see, but it didn't totally work out because like this bra is really huge. Some of these just didn't work, but you know, we kind of have a system going here. At least I know what's going on. So, and then this bottom drawer right here is kind of a miscellaneous. So right here I have like all my extra sheets and stuff. I have, oh, here's a nipple pasty. My belt's in here, and this is just like extra things for like your bra straps and stuff under here. There's boob tape, just the extra booby things. And then I have like these what are these called? Eye patches, eye pads, eye cover-ups for nighttime. These have just been sent to me. I don't ever use them, but I have like 4 of them in here. And then I have just like jean shorts down here, along with some random cropped sweatshirts. So I just have like black one, nude. This is a set from Fashion Nova from years ago. I never wear it anymore, but it's in here. Black overalls in here that I don't wear. I have a black skirt and some black shorts that I tried to cut that didn't turn out, but that's okay. But boom, there's my dresser. Look at my girl living her best. So you guys, that's all my clothes. I really don't have a whole lot, I don't feel. I actually want to kind of revamp everything. But yeah, I really just try to keep things very organized so I know where everything is. I like to color coordinate, and it is my dream one day to have a really big closet and have everything so organized that it's sickening. You know what I mean? Like, I want to have everything organized from color to type of top, all of that. That is such my dream in this life. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun filming it. Let me know if you would like to see like a wardrobe essentials kind of a video to go along with this. You saw what's in my closet. What are things that I feel like you must have in your closet? Maybe I can do like 10 to 15 items. Let me know if you would like to see that though. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And if there's anything else you want to see from me, feel free to let me know at any time. But yeah, I love you and I will see you very soon. Mwah! Bye guys.